Hi, I'm John Lewis of Shoreline Truck Parts. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the HVAC bunk unit in your Kenworth truck. But before we get started, I do want to mention that while there are many similarities between the bunk units, there are also many differences. As the recording of this video, we have replicated 3 different OEM bunk unit part numbers in stainless steel. We have so far found 5 different OEM part numbers, and I'm sure there are more out there. Each one of the bunk units that we carry are different. Some may have different wiring harnesses, different heater cores, evaporators. Others may have a vent that points up, while the other unit may have a vent that points back. If you purchase the incorrect part number, you're going to have to MacGyver it to make it work. To make sure you get the correct part number, have your OEM part number handy so we can cross-reference it over. And if you have questions about the fitment of your bunk unit, go ahead and give us a call at 616-834-1503. Otherwise, let's get started. If your truck still has refrigerant left in the system, you're going to want to make sure that you evacuate the AC. So first thing that we're going to do after your AC has been evacuated is we're going to remove the AC lines. A lot of times these lines are so rusted they have to be replaced. The next thing we're going to do is remove the coolant lines that run from the front AC box to the back, and we're just going to remove these hose clamps so that we can remove the coolant lines. Be sure that you have a bucket ready, as it is going to make a mess. Once you have the AC lines and the coolant lines removed, you can now remove the 5 nuts that hold your bunk unit into place. Now that all 5 are removed, we're going to go inside the bunk of the truck to remove the bunk unit. Some bunks have a sheet of metal that go over the top of them, so you have to remove screws to access it. This bunk just happens to have a bed on hinges, so we're able to easily access it. So what we're going to need to do is remove the vent right here. I'm removing this whole thing so you can get a better view. Then we will unplug our wiring harness in the system, and then all we have to do is pull this guy right out. So this is where the differences are in these units. It's the wiring harness, as well as some of the internal parts. Either the evaporator or the heater core are different sizes. One might have a solenoid on the AC side, and the other one an actuator on the heater core side. We've even seen them with a solenoid on the AC side and an actuator on the heater core side. So there's some of the differences. We're also going to want to clean this out as much as possible. Again, we don't have power out here, so we're just going to use a broom to get this cleaned up, and then we can install our box. I hope this video has helped you with your install. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 616-834-1503. Also, you can text us at that same number. Again, that's 616-834-1503. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment below. And other than that, have a great day, and we will talk to you later.